Fastmail is a privacy-focused email service built for people who want control over their inbox without the tracking and ads common in free providers. It's based in Australia, it's subject to strict privacy laws, and has a clear stance against selling user data. Its interface is clean and modern with fast search, customizable folders, and powerful filtering tools. You can use your own domain and create a disposable alias and take advantage of built-in calendar and contact syncing, all with strong encryption in transit and at rest. Fastmail also supports advanced features like rules, snoozing, and masked email addresses for extra privacy. And when signing up for services, storage ranges from 2 GB to 100 depending on the plan, and it works seamlessly on desktop, mobile, and via IMAP or the web app. On the user side, reviews often highlight its reliability, zero ads, and excellent spam filtering. Some note that it lacks extras like bundled cloud storage or integrated chat found in competitors like Proton Mail, and that its $3 to $9 monthly pricing is higher than free options. But fans argue that the privacy and performance are absolutely worth it. So if you want fast, ad-free, privacy-respecting email that you fully control, Fastmail is a strong choice for both personal and professional use.